In this video, we are going to see how we can add any kind of calculated field that's not already in the data to create some different dimensions and derive some different results. Let's say that we have this data compiled where we have put regions in the rows, we have compiled the sales in the data set, and we have also put the cost of goods sold in the same data set to show it parallel to each other. But what about profit? In the measured names, we don't have profit. So we can create the calculated field. Instead of going to the database and editing all of this, what we can do is just right click anywhere within the measures and click on create and click on calculated field. Let's name it as profit, and the formula, we already know the formula. Let's choose the sales. Let's remove all of this, choose the sales amount field. So what we want to do is we will remove that altogether. Let me just show you from starting because it has removed the cost of goods sold field. All right, now it's fine. Just right click again. Let's click on create and click on calculated field. Let's make it profit. And the formula is sales amount minus bracket open. Make sure you open this kind of bracket, square bracket, I guess this is the name of it. And just write cost of goods sold. You can choose the cost of goods sold. It will show you it in the citation. Just press tab and it will automatically close the bracket for you as well. But what if we want to enter this all together from starting? I'll just remove all of this. So just write sales amount minus bracket open, cost of goods sold. That's it. Click on OK. And we have a new field in the measures names. How cool is that? Let's place it here in the data set and we have the profits. Let's just manually calculate if it is showing the profits properly, because we want to make sure we see the right results always. So 9952896 minus 6967027. So this brings the total of profit to 2985869. That is perfect. And that's how you can create a calculated field in Tableau. And not only that, you can create any kind of calculated field, whether it involves multiplication, minus, division, addition, subtraction, whatever. So you can make any kind of complex calculation to use it according to your formula as well. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.